7 out of 10.
Out of 10.
That's not bad.
That's not bad.
Okay,
He'll be-
I bring it down to 6. He's still young, tetapi bagusnya dia buat kerja.
Yang Ahmad Mohamad, Menteri Besar Johor sendiri, seorang yang generasi yang muda.
Very young.
If I can ask a naughty question, how do you rate his performance?
His performance,
Dato' On Hafiz.
Dato' On Hafiz, 7 or 8. 7. I give him a 7.
7 out of 10.
Out of 10.
That's not bad.
That's not bad.
Okay,
He'll be-
I bring it down to 6.
Dia marah kita.
I bring it down to 6. Why? Because he's still young, tetapi bagusnya dia buat kerja. Buat kerja. But then, like I said, walaupun kita ada macam-macam perancangan, I will also work very closely with him untuk execute certain matters dalam negeri yang saya rasa ada beberapa isu yang kita terlepas pandang ataupun tak put the right effort untuk selesaikan isu-isu tersebut. I give him a 6 or 7. He's young, still have long way to go.
Macam mana peralihan tu tuanku, sebab ramai yang tertanya-tanya pelantikan Dato' On Hafiz sebagai Menteri Besar.
Saya